What up? I'm just out in the garage doing a little bit of cleaning and organizing. I thought I'd make a quick video to share these cheap wrench organizers I found on eBay. So check this out. Over here I got these plastic wrench organizer trays, and they're made by JSP Manufacturing. I found them on eBay just under $6 a piece, and you buy like 4 and you get, a little bit lower price. That's why I've got, I got 2 right here, but I've already used 2 over there, which we'll get that there in a second. So I bought 4, and I can see myself getting some more of them. I really like them. I mean, they're, like I said, they're just, plastic, so you can cut them down if you want. They hold 16 wrenches, and they're made in America. So I mean, they also have them in blue and black. I decided to just go with red because I'm kind of you can't tell I'm a craftsman guy. And I got a bunch of red toolboxes. So there it is. Like I said, I've done these 2 drawers over here so far, and I like them. I plan to use the other 2, I think, in this drawer right here, because you can see it's pretty chaotic. I've been pretty much living out of this one toolbox mostly. I don't really use that one because I got to pull all the drawers out and re-grease them and so on. So, but I eventually want to get some more of these for use over there, and I probably could use a few in my workshop as well. And also, I got this one over here. I bought these wrenches on sale, and you can see right here, I just used the packaging it came in, but it takes up a lot of room. If I use one of these, I'll show you real quick. It's not quite small right now, but that's 10 wrenches per side. So if I cut it down, like the 10 wrenches, I take up a lot less room in the drawer, and I can put more tools in there. So, we'll see. Like I said, I like them. I plan on getting some more. Figured I'd make this quick video to show you what I found. I got them on eBay. Like I said, made in America. 3 colors. There it is. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Keep it real.